So what can you expect from the new update from the Minelab manticore? Let's have a walk through the settings, what you can change, what's been added. General settings, more languages added. Soft keys, one of the big ones. We have backlight display, sensitivity boost, which is now that one. It gives you a boost on the sensitivity. That's normally you use the preset button. Put it as favourite mode. That one, I've got it set up as speaker mute, so when you press 6970, that button turns off your headphones and the volume will now come out of your main speaker, ideally if you make videos, so you can have the audio coming out of the speaker as well as your headphones. I'll change that one to the all metal button. Recovery speed, so you can change your recovery speed. One press takes your recovery speed up, goes that way like the traffic light system. Sensitivity boost, we'll press that, ups the sensitivity by 6, so particularly useful if you've got a faint target and just for that one little target you want to boost your sensitivity just to see if you can make it a bit clearer. Frequency again, so you can do you want to go on to a single frequency for a short period of time. Multi-IQ. Clear your ID map. If you've got a target, you can't find one now. Not find a target now. Yeah, so you get your target, press that, and it just closes your screen. Search mode, you press that, changes which mode you're in. Flashlight, turn your flashlight on and off. More ideal if you're under cover of darkness. You just need to put your front light on just to see where you're detecting. Display backlight. Ferrous indication, as I said before, that can put your target ID if you're running an all metal on something ferrous. They're nothing no ferrous now. So if against the drum, shows you in your ferrous limits, target. Underwater headphone boost, that gives you a boost on the usually quiet headphones, so you can use them out of water a little bit better because generally they are quiet. You just press that and it gives you the boost on your headphone volume. Stabilizer, this is the big one. So on some of the programs it's automatically set. Stabilizer just helps you with iron pulsing. Try not to use it unless you really need to. The higher you go, you will lose depth. And on and off just mutes the pulsing. What I've found is I don't need it any higher than 4 for 99% of the side. Won't work in single frequency. Beach mode, you get no stabiliser option on the beach mode. So if you want to do the beach, you get a little bit of iron falsing. In places where I go, you do get a little bit of iron falsing, so all terrain generally is fine, 99% fine.